Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this super soft and fragrant cotton cake. All you need is 5 simple ingredients. Let's get started. Most recipes call for separating the egg yolk and egg white, but for this recipe, we won't have to do that. Start off by cracking 8 large eggs into a bowl. Make sure that the bowl is big enough since we'll be mixing all of our ingredients inside. Heat some water to approximately 40 degrees Celsius. Place the bowl inside. Make sure that the water isn't too hot and that there's enough water to submerge 1/3 of the bowl. Add the sugar and vinegar into the bowl. With a hand mixer, start whisking the eggs until the mixture turns into a foamy consistency. This should take approximately 10 minutes. The end result should look like this, and you should be able to draw an 8. Take the bowl out, pour in your oil, and then your flour, 1 cup at a time. And incorporate the flour into the mixture until there's no more clumps and all the flour is fully mixed in. Set your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the mixture into a cupcake pan or cake pan. Put whatever toppings you'd like or leave it plain. Once your oven is set, bake your cake for 20 minutes. Enjoy your super soft and fluffy 5-ingredient cake. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.